guys, it's Grace and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It literally feels like so long since I've done a vlog. Can't remember the last time I did one. I'm pretty sure it was like 2 months ago. I do miss vlogging on this channel, but I've literally had nothing to vlog. I went on holiday, but all of those vlogs are on the Grace and Grace channel, so if you want to see what I've been up to, go over there. Today I've got a shopping day, which is just so exciting for me because I've not been in so long, and I'm literally going to my favourite place in the world today, and that is Bicester Village. And if you don't know what Bicester Village is, it's basically a designer shopping outlet. Basically it's a place where they sell discounted designer stuff. They've got Dior, Gucci, what else, like Fendi, YSL, every single brand you can imagine apart from Louis Vuitton and Chanel, I'd say. I would just recommend, if you live in the UK, like, you have to go to Bicester at least once in your life. It's very hit or miss whether you find stuff, because obviously you go there and you've got no idea what is going to be there. So that's why I thought I'd bring you guys along with me today. I'll tell you what I get. The only thing I know that I'm definitely going to get is a pair of Ugg slippers, because Grace got me some for Christmas and my dog has chewed them. Anyway, enough of me rambling. I'm going to show you my outfit. Okay guys, so this is my outfit of the day. I'll try and link it all down below. So it's this Zara bodysuit, which is just so comfy and flattering. I can really dress them up and dress them down as well. Like, you can literally wear it with denim shorts or wear it with like this and dress it up. So I've got this on, which I think is in like the nude pink colour. Then I have this skirt on. It's the skirt that was in my Zara haul, my recent Zara haul, and it has like diamantes going down it and a little peplum hem. It's just the cutest skirt, like I can't even explain it. And then I thought I'd tie all of the nude colours together, because I feel like these don't really go, but with this bag I feel like it doesn't really matter because it's like a few shades of nude. I have my Dior bag. I put it on with trainers, which does sort of ruin the vibe, but I feel like it's too, it looks like it's going to rain outside, so I can't really wear my sandals. No, it's going to have to be trainers. But I've literally worn the worst outfit I could have ever worn. It is chucking it down with rain. Like, we literally could not have picked a worse day. Look at this weather.
And it's not going to stop.
And it's not stopping all day. So I've literally worn the worst outfit. I picked up a pair of these sliders. They're these ones here. They're really cute and fluffy, and they have like a little bow on them. I really like those, because I said I wanted to get a pair, didn't I? That was the one thing I came here for. Oh my god, Juicy is the best. They have so many tracksuits. Like, they've got baby pink, like the classic Juicy ones. They've got grey, they've got navy, black. I'm going to get myself a black one. Might be. No, that doesn't look fluffy. That's not velour. Look, I can't actually believe it. They've even got my pink one that I have at home in like this red colour. It's so nice. It's quite desperate.
Cinderella. The shoe will fit.
Those are, I
think no.
They're so nice. It's not even focusing. Look at them. Because that thong thing's really in fashion, isn't it?
Yeah,
like
they don't, do they?
No, they don't, but thong sandals are really in. And the nude as well. Really cute shoes in here. Like, I love these platform wedge things. And they've got espadrilles. I love, Mum, I love those definitely. How cute is this one? I feel like Prada's really made a comeback recently. Do you not think?
I've always loved Prada.
I love Prada, but I think recently they're doing really well. We've just sat down to have some lunch.
The diet's going well.
Yeah, the diet's going really well. Mum's got chicken and chips, which I'm sort of jealous of. And what is that, alioli?
Yeah.
And I've got prawn pasta, so's Dad.
That's tucked in.
He's tucked in straight away. We're now having a little look in Maish, and they do the cutest clothes in here. How cute is that? It's got like this really nice sort of frilly collar and a matching skirt. I don't know how much it is. It's still quite expensive, so I probably won't get it, but how cute. Okay guys, the rain has finally stopped. I look like a drown rat. My hair has never looked worse in my life. I just made a really spontaneous purchase. Well, not spontaneous, I've wanted it for ages, but a bit of a spontaneous purchase. Actually, I'm not going to tell you what I bought. I made a purchase and I'm going to do an unboxing when I get home. But it's from Burberry. It's something that I've always wanted. I feel like a lot of you may guess. But I realised I haven't actually shown you the village, the Bicester Village. Let me show you. It's so cute here. Like, if you live in England, you need to come here at some point in your life. It's actually really nice. Not on a day like this, obviously. Do you want to go Calvin Klein?
I like the underwear one. I just want the normal one.
So we just sat down for a coffee now. I've got a tea and some mango. Oh my god, if you haven't tried this mango from Pret, you have to. It's the best.
It's really
We're just chilling after a busy day.
as bad as my hair.
Oh my god, stop.
Look,
No.
look at it.
I've never seen your hair worse than that.
It's really bad, isn't
It's
it?
really bad. Just sitting and chilling. These are the views. Dad has got a bit wild. Shopping, he's yearly. Stop doing that.
I bought a
His
t-shirt.
his yearly shopping. Mum's bought like a one t-shirt, and then
This is my one shopping visit of the year.
one shopping visit of the year. And what do you want to do? Like a haul of what you've got, like a little quick one? No.
No.
Do you want anyone to know? Yeah, you don't have to wear it like a headband.
It's like a sanctuary.
I'm not a YouTuber.
Right, well, just tell them what you got.
Todd trainers.
Todd
diesel
trainers,
jeans,
diesel jeans.
and a polo Ralph Lauren Parker jacket.
Oh, we didn't go that wild. What else? That's where you got other stuff.
Hugo Boss t-shirts.
Is that it?
Reese
Is
t-shirt.
that everything?
That's it.
Nice. Today is the next day and I'm a bit dressed up because I've been filming and taking pictures today. But as you would have seen by the vlog, I made a few purchases yesterday, so I wanted to do like a little unboxing, even though I'm pretty sure you know 2 out of 3 of the things, but I thought I'd just show you them and talk to you about them. Let's start with the UGG slippers, which was the first purchase I made. My puppy ate them. He chewed them all up, so I needed to replace them, and Grace bought me a pair for Christmas. Ever since she bought me them, I was in them every single day, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna have to replace them. So I went into UGG slippers, and that was the one thing that I knew I was gonna buy at Bicester. So I got these pink ones, and they're fluffy. I thought they were like the perfect shade of pink. They're almost like dusky pink. So they're so fluffy, and I actually think they're quite glamorous. Like, I imagine like a Hollywood actress walking around their house in these. Do you know what I mean? I just think they're very glam. I'm going to protect these with my whole life because I don't want my dog to eat these as well. Like, I don't know if you got my chaotic energy from the vlog, but I nearly pooed myself because I found some tracksuits. You guys need to get yourself in there. Like, I don't know if you guys remember, but I bought a Juicy tracksuit from Bicester. Not from Bicester. I bought it on Depop for like over £100. And I'm pretty sure the girl probably went to Bicester, spent 50 quid on it and made £150 out of it. Pretty sure that girl must have went to Bicester and bought a load of tracksuits and sold them, which, you know what? Get that coin. I just got so excited because I'm obsessed with Juicy tracksuits, but the only place that do them, like online, is Urban Outfitters, but they're not Juicy tracksuits. Like, they're just hoodies and joggers. They're not the actual tracksuits that like Kim Kardashian, Elle Woods, Paris Hilton would have worn. And it just doesn't sit right with me. I'm sorry, it just doesn't sit right with me, the fact that like they're making hoodies out of tracksuits. If you're wondering where to get a Juicy tracksuit, you need to get yourself over to Bicester because they had so many in there. And the bottoms are £20. Like, can you believe that? And then the tops are £30, which again, I just can't believe. So it's just black and velour, and it's got the gold Juicy logo, and then the bottoms are again just plain with these pockets in the back with gold buttons. Normally when I go into Juicy, it's literally just like logo t-shirts, and that's not really my thing. I was about to be like, nah, let's leave Juicy, and I'm just so glad that I didn't, because I would have missed out on this little baby. So I'm so glad I went in there. So my designer purchase is something that I've wanted for a very long time. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't go there expecting to buy one of these. I just got a really good deal and I tried it on and it just looked really nice on. It's something that I've always wanted and something in my wardrobe that I'll keep forever. It's a Burberry trench coat. Isn't she beautiful? So it is this beautiful Burberry trench coat. I just feel like they're the most classic piece you can add to your wardrobe. I just went in there and the lady was so nice. Her name was Iris. She sold this to me because she knew everything about Burberry. Like, if it wasn't for her, I probably wouldn't have bought it that day. Like, I know I would have got one eventually, but she really sold this to me and she told me all about it and told me all the info. So that is why I went for this. And oh my god, it's just so beautiful. I can wear this all throughout winter and autumn time. It ties up beautifully at the front and it's got black buttons in the honey colour, which I think is the classic colour. I'm just so excited that I get to add this to my wardrobe. She's actually quite long, which is weird for me because I don't normally wear long coats, but I tried on a short one. It just looks quite manly on me. A longer one is much more feminine and will take me throughout life. Do you know what I mean? I'll literally wear this when I'm like 50, or I could wear this now and it will look nice on me throughout both stages of my life. Do you know what I mean? So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. I think we're gonna go to Bicester near Christmas as well, so I can do another one if we end up going. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye. Mwah.